Good evening. In our news bulletin for tonight, ko whakataka e tau ni mela mai he whahi toto mati mela ki whakakise ko tangata mai, tangata ni whanonga mai mai o kehe mai mai motu. Vital statistics show a slight population increase, but travelling statistics register negative net migration. Liu ka mate tau whakahoruanga mai tau whakakwang he aonga tukulunga ke lata mai tau moringa hua he tau whanau ka use e aonga. Niue High School's Careers Program broadens students' career prospects. Ko holki mo e tau whiwa sipoti ke lata e me tau aonga whakamahani he motu ne whakahoku e ki makefu whaitapu e kwa mole. The Early Childhood Education Centre students around the island participated in an annual one-day sports day last week. Koe mahina nei, ue whanga matunumela ne ko whakataka mai whahi toto matunumela ne ko lauia e puketangata he motu. Whakamua koe tau matunumela ne ilo i whakaperitania koe tau Vital Statistics mai he mahina i ulai kia te asamo he tau e kwa mole ko no onu whakamatuwinga i ke tau matunumela tau mgemuke fōu ne ko whanau pia fōki mai tau tangata ne ko mamase. Wai puketangata mai he toto wang he tau ua whi hong whamawhitu, wai tahe a whi lima seo hivong whamataha, wai toko taha seo hivong whamatolu, e tangata no rofu motu ne kua ua tua i ke tau mutu kehe, ke mga aho ni toto wai puketangata. Koe tau mgemuke fōu ne kua whanau ai ke mga aho ni toto wai ke he kuata whakahiko e tau amole, toko hongo furu mawha, toko lima i alu tolu, koe tau whanau tāni me toko hewa e whanau whiwhine. Mai he tau matunumela ia toko hongo whamaua ne ko whanau ai i niwe, kai toko ua ne whanau ai ke tau mutu kehe. Ko tau whoki e tau numela tangata ne ko mamasea ke whahalote mahina i ulai. Kia te samo toko lima e tangata ne ko kioki mai he muianga nei, koe tōru e tangata tāne mo e toko ue whiwhine. Aha i whoki toko whitu e kito whai hoana mo e kito whai tāne. Ka eke ke tō e tau numela tangata ne ko whanau mo e utakehe tau matunumela luturu ne mamase, koe tupu he puketangata ki he motu koe hiva. Ka koe tau matunumela ke lata e me kuatu whakahiku he tau e kua mole ke lata me tau tōwanga he tau tangata ne whenonga mai mo e tuku whenonga mai i niwe. Koe ka tātoia he tau numela tangata ne ko whenonga mai ki niwe koe ue awhi walu seo whitung whamatoru. Kai ue awhi hewe seo mai ono ne kua okehe mai me motu. Mai he tau matunumela nei he tau tangata ne whenonga mai ki he motu, koe whae awhi mo limu whamaono e tangata whenonga waewa. Ka koe numela ia koe walu seo uafuru e tangata niwe, mo e tōru awhi ua seo tōru whamaono e tangata motu kehe. Toko hong whamalima he tau tangata whenonga waewa ne kua whakisi manako ke nono whehefo ai i niwe. Lima seo whitung whamahewa e tangata nono whamotu ko li riu mai mo e tahe awhi whitu seo on whamaualo tōru neo mai ai he tau he whakatonga lau pāsese. Koe tau matunumela he tau tangata ne o kehe mai mai motu, whae awhi on seo on whamawalu, toko hong whamawhitu e tangata no no whamotu ko tahau, koe o kehe whakausi. Tōru awhi walu seo himong whamalima e tangata o whenonga ko li riwa i ke tau motu ni o malo tōru iai, pia whoki ni mo e tahe awhi whitu seo on whamaualo tōru, ni o mai ai he whakatonga lau pāsese. Ka eke ka ono on whakamatuwhinga ke tau ni matunumela nei, koe tō hefo e tau ni mala tangata ke he tōru whamatoru. Koe tau matunumela pehe nei mua atu ke tau tangata no no whamotu, ne kua o kehe mai he motu tō lauia lahi e puke tangata, wai tau ngā hua whakalau lahi whoki ke he tau maangani o mai ai e lo tōru. Koe lau lahi tau tangata whenonga waewa, i loa mai koe o mai he tau motu ko New Zealand mo Australia, mai ko talahau ko Manako, ke o mai ki niwe ha koe tau tala ne kua longoana mai he whalu tangata whoki, pia whoki ni me tau whakaluanga mai he tau e sini he tau whahi whenonga e waewa. The latest statistical releases by the Niue Statistics Division has revealed a slight increase to the population based on figures from July to December 2017 in Vital Statistics. The population from the 2017 census indicated a residential population of 1,591 and 193 residents who were overseas. The total births registered 14, with 5 males and 9 females born. In terms of place of birth, 12 of these babies were born in Niue, while 2 were born overseas. The total deaths that were registered was 5, with 3 males and 3 females. This also included Within the report, a total of 7 marriages. The natural increase was 9, and that's measured by the number of births minus deaths, which saw a natural growth rate of 5.7 to per 1,000. In terms of the second set of figures, which were the travelling statistics that showed a negative net migration for the last quarter of 2017, the October to December 2017 quarter recorded total arrivals via airplane at 2,873 and departures 2,906. There was one cruise ship that called into Niue for the quarter with a total of 1,762 passengers and crew. For arrivals, there were 4,056 people. 1,762 of those people arrived on a cruise ship. There were 820 Niueans and 3,236 non-Niueans, with 15 visitors who indicated they wanted to become residents, while 579 people were returning residents. In terms of departures, that totaled at 4,668. That included those who arrived on the cruise ship, and there were 3,895 visitors who returned to their country of residence. 17 permanent residents indicated they were leaving Niue permanently. Most of the visitors were from New Zealand and Australia, and their main response about how they found out about Niue was through word of mouth and travel agents. Travelling statistics or travelling residents will always have some impacts on the population number and developments of villages, but most importantly those who had stated that they were leaving permanently, because this number will always impact the growth of the residential population of Niue. Kua hiki whakatose tau whakaroanga ke latu te whakakoanga haonga te kulunga ke tau aho ua, lau iau fuki e tau bisnisi, wa whakaroanga haonga ne whakatokatoka i ke maike i tau whanau, ke whai kisianga ke he tau whanganga hua halu tūru ne manako ki ai kai ke kua ose e tau aonga. Ke maike fuki halu tūru ke manamana atu koe tau whakakoanga whiwhi kua o tatai mo tau ngā hua ia. Ahai e te whahinga ho whakatuwhanu ne kua whakamau hipo ke uatua i mai whakatutala i ke he tau whanau ke he aonga, po ke halu tūla tau pokoaonga. Koe aho nei ni kua uatua i wholo tau whanau he wahenga whitu, ke wahenga hewa, ke wholo tau pisanisi tunga ia e Rockback Bakery, Ali's Enterprises, Niue Fresh Pia ni Mohio. Ki se tupu e tau whahi pisanisi ke motu ha ko tau whahi whenonga e whaewa. Si kua lata fuki ke maua he tau whanau wholo tau whakakoanga, ke whakaluloi halu tūlu e tau lot matala. Whakau e aonga ha kua maua e kau whakataha mai he tau whahinga hua kehe, ke mai ki ai ke langmata e tau whiwhirianga he tau whanau mai halu tūru a tau moinga hua. Niue High School's Careers program started up with a slight revamp this year as the school aims to broaden students' career prospects, and that will also include private sector. The objective of the school program was to give students an opportunity to consider the different career opportunities and plan their studies around their preferred career of choice. After the success of last year's program, the school had decided to revamp their program by including local businesses and taking students outside of the school to see firsthand what it takes to work in a business or a government department. Some of the local businesses featured in today's program included Niue Fresh, Hio, Rockback Bakery and Ali's Enterprises. The program's success is highly dependent on all who are participating understanding the value of education and opening opportunities for career pathways. Niue High School has career programs for 1 hour on Tuesdays every fortnight. Matalahi e tau mamatua ke tau laliang he tau whanau ahonga whakamahani ke he tau sipote ne whakahoko ai ki makifu he whahitapu e kua mole. Takolonga e tau mamatua ne kua hoku atu ai ke mamata atu ke halu tūlo tau whakahelehele. Mai ki sia koe lime ahonga whakamahani ne kua whakataha ke tau whakaroang he aho. Ke tau ahonga mai la kepa, hakupu, awasele, pia puki ni hun takau, ha makifu lafi mo tuapa. E ni mufoki e ahonga whakamahani ne toka atu i paliasi. Koe tahana puhala nei ne kua mai ke whakahoho e tau whanau ke tau puhala whawhau sino e whakamaulua i puki ke tau whiwa sipote. Ke whalo tau mamatua kua mai ka lotu ke lamatai e halo tolu tau whanau ke tawhi pui. Kua hai e fuki e tau whakamailanga ke latai mo aho. Longa te whiu spot ke lata mo te whanau e tau nei, so ke tau ke tōrua ke ha nei, he tau se kehe e te whiu spot e hanga whamahani, mai he aonga te whanau i ki. Makefu Village was full of hype last week as children competed in the Early Child Education Centre Sports Day that was held on Wednesday last week. There are 4 ECCEs on the island, one in La Kepa, Hakupu, Abasele, and a combined one for Makefu and Tuapa, as well as the ECE at the Niue Primary School. This is the 3rd year that they've held their sports day separate from the Niue Primary School sports, and parents, siblings and caregivers were on hand to provide encouragement and moral support for students who were participating in their first sports day. There were events for toddlers that took part in the 50-meter dash, running with the help of their parents. There were also children's programs that included competitive running, bike races, relays and traditional sports. Parents cheered on, running beside them and trying to keep them motivated. Koe autapu e kwa mole ni whahakoe e autapu whanau he lotu e Kalesia Kirisiano ni wehe motu toko longa te whanau ki ne kua ako mana tualu tūla tau launga mo e tau kupu mai he tuhi tapu. Koe au mahu inga nei ne kua whilawa ki pōki me anga tau motu whene kua muna ki whalo te maanga ki e whaiwhahoanga ke he ni mahalo tūla tau motu whene. Inga sia te maanga mo e tau whahoruanga koe whalu ke mga hupungi ni hokoia kai hai ai whuki whalu ne kua tapu e ke mga hupungi tapu whiawhi ke whakakesi ai whuki ni e tau makaka e tau whanau ke tutu ki mo e tau whakatoanga mo e tau hauhula tūla tau launga koe tau aho tapu whanau ko tui osi whuki te whanau tau tau seno sea o tū mauni e furufuruala he kesi aki ki ai. The Kalesia Kirisiano Niue Sunday schools around the island celebrated White Sunday over the weekend. Young children started with memorizing their sermons or Bible verses and songs before White Sunday. Over the years, parents have used sweets and desserts as an incentive for children to proudly say their sermons. Although White Sunday is celebrated every year, some children were still a bit shy to stand in front of a large crowd. Sunday schools usually wrap up the day with a play or an action song, and Mother's Day is also celebrated on the same day as White Sunday. Some congregations have a separate program for mothers to celebrate mothers alongside with White Sunday as one event. And those are the news stories that we have for you this evening. We do hope you can join us again for our next news bulletin on Thursday. Penai te wala tāla ke lat mea whipne, amna ki kuli liu whilewe penei foki, ke a whiawhia hatu lotu ke ranowha, nini pō to li liu ke whilewea.